Another topic of importance really is protecting your income. And there's various levels of protecting your income, and I'll touch on a lot of them. Many people these days don't properly do it because they don't find it affordable or they don't think they need it. But we have to keep in mind that it's very important to start off as young as possible when you're as healthy as you're ever going to be, as young as you're ever going to be. It's very important. And first things first would be proper life and disability insurance. A lot of my clients believe that if they're, let's say, young and single, what's the point? And the point of the matter there is, like I said, you're never going to be younger. You might be healthier if you start working out, but you're certainly never going to be younger. And a lot of this coverage becomes prohibitively expensive as you creep through your 30s into your 40s. Once you're getting towards retirement, it really is expensive. And the point of life and disability insurance is to basically be able to replace your income if you become disabled or, unfortunately, worse. Disability provides monthly payments of a percentage of your income, and life insurance usually provides a lump sum of cash to your family that would be used to pay down debt, bills, and invested to replace at least a portion of your income. It really becomes much more expensive as you move along, harder to obtain if you have a health issue. And unfortunately, really, you never know what's going to happen. It's not all based on age. An accident can happen at any time. And really, another level of income protection is also health insurance. If you were to have any large medical bills, if you were in an accident and would have to go to the hospital, or any large medical bills, really. Another important step in your financial planning and income protection would be to build up your savings, to have an emergency savings of, let's say, 3 to 6 months of expenses, just in case you ever come across a job loss or an injury or a major repair to your home or any unexpected expense. And that helps keep you out of debt. That helps keep you from turning to high interest credit cards and really flushing money down the toilet in my eyes. These emergency funds really sort of help you build up a cushion. They're not vacation funds, that's separate. They're not let's buy a fancy new Lamborghini fund or anything of that sort. They really should be used in case of emergencies, medical expenses, job loss, or anything along those lines. It's just very important to make sure that you have everything in order. Even if you're young, single, you don't know if you're going to have kids, it's very likely that you at least have some sort of student loan debt that you don't want to leave to your family, or some sort of expenses that can be taken care of by this insurance instead of leaving it to your family to handle. When you're considering the purchase of life and disability insurance, and really any income protection, there are ways to find coverage online, but it's very important to speak to a seasoned professional to discuss the different types of insurance that are available to you, the different levels of coverage that you might want to consider. And it's really sort of based on your cash flow and the needs of your family at the time of purchase. And really, it should be revisited every so often, at least yearly. Any changes in your life situation, you get married, have children, retire. Really, any change in your life would be a good time to speak to your professional. And a lot of people are either totally against certain kinds of whole life insurance or totally against term life insurance. And really, honestly, in my eyes, many middle class and even any class of family who's starting to get on their feet, term insurance is probably the way to go. But as you move along, that can be revisited to tailor a plan to your needs depending upon your goals and the goals of your family.